What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Dude, you got to add? That's that's kind of great news, dude, actually. What's up, Vena? Muy bien. Yeah, Rusum is just addicted to grinding, dude. Yeah. What's up, what's up, what's up? Hey, Zal. Skills? What's up, man? Yeah. What's up, Chip? But Wise here? Hey, man. Dude, the hype is real, especially when you realize next weekend is your test. That's crazy. Hey, Rona. I'm here. I made it. Barely. I'm like out of breath from running up to my desk. That's so bad, but I am. What's up, Demarius? Oh, nice. Nafiz. Hey, man. Leo's here, too. Sick. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Alright. What's up, Rusum? Rusum's a real OG. He's been with the stream for a while. Like 2 years. Yeah. Am I 2 minutes late? Is that really what it was? I just had to eat lunch. What can I say? You're taking it November 2nd? Chip, are you taking the 9th grade test or the 8th grade test, my dude? I don't know that, Sammy. I would talk to your guidance counselor. They know. Dude, 6-paragraph essay? That's whack. What's up, Nazir? So let me just give me a second for everybody to kind of get into the chat here, and then we can get cruising. I have some math that I want to work on to start, at least, and then we can, obviously go into whatever you guys want to talk about. I don't care. Thanks, Ricky. Are you taking the 8th grade? Well, that's chill. Oh, man. Oh, Sing's here? Nice, man. Yeah. Guys, a week and a half. Get your head right now. Get your head right now. That means put everything in perspective. Put everything into context. If you think the test is bigger than you, then it will be. If you think the test is doable and that you can crush it, then it will be doable and you will crush it. And make sure you get some confidence, man. The way that you can get confidence is not by lying to yourself. You don't need to lie to yourself and go, "Oh, I'm going to crush this test." The way you give yourself confidence is by studying. The best time to study for the SAT, bro, just depends on where you start. Let me cut this music really quick. Hold on. For studying the SAT, it just depends on where you start, and what you want your score to be. So I've had a couple students of mine who have gotten perfects on the SAT. One of them stepped up to the plate pretty close to perfect already, and there were just a couple kind of fine-tuned things that we needed to work on. The other girl who got a perfect, she was not close to perfect at all. She was a couple hundred away. But she grinded really hard. She just made it her priority. And that took her 6 months. So it just depends on where you're at, you know what I mean? But if you do have what's that image? Oh, that's my, that's just the most recent photo. And that's an LMAO Burgini. Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah. Yeah. That's an LMAO Burgini, bro. You don't know what that is? You have to buy them custom. They don't sell them like that normal. Okay, cool. So, what's up, everybody? Welcome to, is it Wednesday? Wednesday. What colleges do the kids go to? Just good colleges. I don't want to I don't want to dox them or anything, but they went to really good colleges. And yeah, I mean, it's the type of thing where you get out of it what you put into it. So, yeah. That's good, Ricky. That's a good attitude. The key there, though, we're talking about the art of war, Never underestimate that's an extreme, but try not to underestimate your opponent. So don't overestimate your opponent, but don't underestimate your opponent. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this test is doable. And yeah, for some people it will be kind of easy, but don't underestimate it, bro. Also, it may be hard for you. It may seem really hard. Don't overestimate it. It's beatable. So just keep that in mind. I think a lot of kids get tricked on questions because they underestimate how easy the test is. They're like, oh, this is easy, and they whip through it, not realizing that they fell for every single trick that the test gave them. So yeah. Malak, if you're looking for ELA, check out yesterday's video. We started with ELA yesterday. I don't have any ELA for you guys today, but we're going to do some tomorrow. So yeah. What's up, Kira? So yeah, if you are looking to work on ELA, check out yesterday's video or check out tomorrow's video. Get a time machine. Yeah. Well, I don't know, Zhao. You've been studying, dude. You've been grinding. Don't underestimate yourself either, bro. That's what's up. All right, so I kind of want to start with this question. Just because more and more I've just been convinced that they're going to make the test harder, but not harder in the way most people think. It's not going to be hard in the way where it's like, oh, what's this equation? You know, it's going to be hard on like, can you figure this out? You know what I mean? Yeah, dude, thanks, Venna. Shout out to Venna for plugging my SAT adventure. Yeah, after the SHSAT is done, dudes, immediately I'm gonna take a week off, and then we're gonna be grinding on the SAT, because if you spend enough time, this is the last thing I'm gonna say, and then we'll get into it. I'm sorry, I know it's a slow start, but with the SAT, and this is the last thing I'll say, you can get a very high score if you work super hard. Same thing with the SHSAT. Even though there's only a week and a half, if you spend this week and a half working super hard, it will reflect in your score. It's not like singing, where if you practice singing, you may never be better than somebody who's got like a natural voice. This is your brain. So you can work on it. You know what I mean? Oh, Tejas is here. What's up, man? Yeah, dude, Ricky, yes, exactly. Hope that the test is hard, bro. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's start off with the first question. This is the I'm so bad, dude. I'm like, all right, but this is the only question that I prepared for the stream today. Whoops. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys like 2 minutes to get into this one, and then we'll talk about it. I recommend for Monday through Thursday to study for 2.5 hours or 3 hours each day in a row without stopping, because that's how long the test is going to be. And you start getting your brain and your body used to sitting in one place for 3 hours with no breaks and no phone. If you can do that for like 5 times in a row, you'll be way better off. Good. Yeah, that's enough. Fall. That's perfect, dude, because then that starts getting you prepared for it. The Friday before the test, don't do anything, dudes. Just relax. Do your best to just kind of like kick it and like, you know what I mean? Dude, I know, Leo. I'm like stalling, and then I have one question. So sometimes I'm prepared. Sometimes there's just too many streams for me to be prepared for every single one. So we're just gonna, I don't know, we're just gonna improvise. Let's say that. Ooh, and this is a hard question too. That's a really good sentence skills. You study for 8 hours a day. I study for 24 hours a day. I'm always studying, bro. Did you gotta get near paper, bro? Yeah, really fall. Okay, so we got our first answer from Sir Tejas here. 9.75. That's Tejas. This feels like summer again. Ramisa. Nice. Leo. Chip. Oh no, Leo. Malak. That's so funny. Fall. Good job, Fall. Nice. Dude, Fall, you're going to be a real OG next year for sure. Sing. Word. All right, cool. That's okay. I'll give you guys like another 45. Huh? Saggy. Word. Prominent. Fall. Got you already. Yeah. Fun. Yeah, man. Dude, you guys crushed up on this problem. I mean, we're obviously going to go into it, but wow. Yeah, Leo. Elizabeth. Noise. Noise. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Nahar. All right, so that's enough time. Nahar. Kabata. What's up, Kabata? Skills. Did I already get you, bro? No, I didn't. Skills. Got you, man. Babesiosis. That's hard to spell. I got you, dude. All right, cool. So let's go into this one, or at least how to do this. What's up, Shot? All right, so let's go into this. Most people got it, but just in case you're in the chat and you're watching the stream and you're like, what? We'll go into it. So the first thing that we need to do, this is actually very similar to those age games we were talking about, where we need, in order to solve this, we need to make a substitution, or we need to do something of that nature. So what I'm going to do here, well, I guess what would be the easiest way to do this? I'm going to solve for one brem here, and I'm going to solve for one brem here. And that way I'll be able to compare the amount of faux to the amount of camps, which is really hard to say, camps. All right. So I'm going to divide both sides of this top equation by 10. So one brem is going to equal 2.8 faux, because I divided this by 10 and that by 10. Then I'm going to divide this by 3 and that by 3 as well. 81.9 divided by 3, 2, 6, 21, 7.3. So this would be 27.3 camp equals 1 brem. And dude, look at how I set it up. I mean, obviously, but look at how I set it up. Now that both of these equal 1 brem, I can directly compare these two results, and I can actually just say can'ts. Boom. You can just draw that distinction there. So yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So then we just divide both sides because we need to buy 1 faux. So we're going to divide both sides by 2.8. 2.8. And this division is kind of heinous, but we got to do hard division sometimes, guys. Whenever I have a decimal in the division, I always bring it over just to make my life a ton easier. Okay, so this won't go in 10 times. It'll go in 9 times for sure. 9 times 8 is 270. 18 plus, that'd be 25. So we're looking really good. That's 1, that's 21, and we're going to have to bring down a 0 here. Cool. So how many times does 28 go into 210? 7. 6. 50, 14, 19, lovely. Borrow, 4, 1, 0, bring down another 0. That's going to be a 5. Bang. Dude. Oh, could you guys not even see that? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So here's my division for that. I just got, I don't know, bros. I've been kind of, how do you say, my brain is like a sponge that's full of water. So yeah, that's the answer, 7.5. Really, really nice, dude. Really, really good stuff, guys. Really nice. So let's see. All right. So I'm so sorry. Oh my God. All these dislikes. How many? I can't even see I can't even see the likes or dislikes actually, like the ratio. So I don't know. I mean, it is what it is. You know what I mean? Okay, cool. So let's see. Yeah, that's true. If you do dislike the video, you're guaranteed to not get into a specialized high school. Yep. Shout out to Leo. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let me see. Small brain time. Yes. So there are some things that we could work on here algebraically. Let me see if I have another good question for you guys to chew on a little bit. Okay. Let's do another comparative kind of question, and I'm going to time you guys to see if you guys can get it in under the time that's required, which is really the biggest challenge of this test. So give me a couple seconds just to write this question out, and then we'll get into it. Hold on a second. Oops. So I'm going to bring you over here. Okay, cool. Okay, so let me see here. All right, so let's say let me see. Okay, cool. So here's another one of these questions where there's really no formula for you to do this, but it's like, it's still very difficult nonetheless. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute and a half, and I'm going to try to call it as close to a minute and a half as possible. Okay, so we got some answers coming in. 15 more seconds. I don't want to spoil it yet. 5. Bang, that's a minute and a half. So get used to that time. Get used to that minute and a half, bros. Yeah, mental math, there's a lot of different ways to do this, dude. And so now the chat's absolutely ablaze. A lot of people are saying pop. A lot of people are saying pop. Somebody says Dons. I think that's Zhao, yeah. Kira's on cats. Yeah, Wiz is on cats. What's up, Wiz? Yeah, so pop and dons and cats, yeah, those are all kind of coming too. So guys, let's just talk algebraically, what's relevant here, bro? All right, let's just look at this top line. 5 dons equals 2 pops. What's more valuable? Now, a lot of people are like, well, that's 5. That's way bigger than 2. But I mean, we have to look at these as variables. So let's say a don is worth $2 and a pop is worth $5. Well, then they equal each other because that would be 10 and $10, right? That's totally good to go. But pops are more valuable. The less of a currency you need, the more valuable it is. Because if I have a $100 bill, I only need one of those to go to lunch. But if I have a $1 bill, I might need a bunch to go to lunch. So a bunch to go to lunch. Dude, my brain is so dead. So yeah, that's why this is more valuable, even though there's less of them. So we just need to start comparing. Obviously, dons are not going to be the most valuable because if 2 pops equal 5 whole dons, then that means 1 pop equals 2.5 dons. So that means pops are way more valuable than this don, so we know it's not dons. That's kind of what's up. Yeah, Poppy, bro. So 5 cats equal 15 Elo. So Elo obviously isn't the most valuable because cat is way more valuable than Elo. We can compare Elos to Pops. Obviously, Elos are not. And then cat to foe. Foes are not. So we're kind of in a tough spot here because we know Pops, we know cats, and we know one of them is going to be the most valuable. So how do we do this? Well, we have to be able to compare them to each other. So notice that 6 Elo equals 1 Pop. And we also know that 5 cat equals 15 Elo. Do you guys see where I'm going on this one? I'm going to divide this by 5, and then I'm going to divide this, so divided by 2, I'm going to times this by 2, and then I'm going to times this by 5. So this times 2, it'd be 10 cat equals 30 Elo. I'm going to times this by 5, both of these by 5. So it'd be 30 Elo equal 5 Pop. Now we can directly compare our cat and our Pop. 10 cat, 5 Pop. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Prominent. Don't get twisted on that, dude. Exactly. Yep, that's exactly it. So now we can compare them. And if 10 cats equal the same value as only 5 of these Pops, well, then these Pops are obviously twice as expensive or twice as valuable because you can only get 5 of these for 10 of these. So yeah, Pop is going to be our answer here, bros. Bang. We're going to need a redemption, bros. We're going to need a redemption. Yeah. All right. Chill. Dude, nice. That's good, Babesiosis. That's a good score, bro. 75 plus? Yeah. Um, yeah, the filter got you skills. My filter has been like insanity since I've been monetized. And because it's an educational channel, the filter is like already a little high. Dude, I'm cracked with your brain. Oh no. Redemption time, bros. It's redemption. Okay, cool. So let me figure one out that'll be a little bit harder for you guys. Um, um, okay. All right. So. Um, hmm. So then that would be. Okay, cool. So here it is. I got a good one for you, bro. How much out of sty? I really have no idea. I really don't know. Okay. So let's go into this question then. All right, cool. So here we go. The watch is upside down? No, it's not. I always keep it on the underside of my wrist, bruh. I always keep it there so I can watch it. Literally watch it. Okay, cool. So here's the question. Here is your redemption. If you missed that last problem, here's your time to shine. So here's the question. I want to know what is the most valuable, okay? 1 Aldo equal 4 Cafet, 12 Dono equal 16 Cafet, and 6 Dono equal 1 Brolty Maggie. I'll give you guys like a minute and a half for this one. So let's get it. Okay, so I'm getting some answers, but I don't want to spoil it. So 30 more seconds, guys. 30 more seconds. Okay, yeah. A lot of you guys are getting that answer. Chill, chill, chill. Dude, the redemption's absolutely real. Is it? Is it? We're gonna go into it. Proti Maggie. Okay. Yeah, all right, so that's time. That's a minute and a half, guys. Okay, so I didn't write down everybody's answer because I didn't want to kind of say it out loud and spoil the question for people who are still working. So yeah, I'm getting Aldo, I'm getting Brolty Maggie, I'm getting a lot of it's so funny to me that you guys are typing Brolty Maggie. Like what a horrible word. Like imagine if that was your name. Like would you be a cool person? Like, you know what I mean? Um the answer for the last question was what was it? The answer to the last question was pops. That's what it was. Okay, so let's go through this one. So we need to be able to compare them directly, right? We know that Aldo, we know that cafettes, we know that donos are not going to be the most valuable, but there's a reason we're given them, is because we need to connect this Aldo and compare it to the Brolty Maggie. And the only way we can do that is if we find some common link between them. So we know that we can compare Aldos to cafettes, and we know we can compare Brolty Magnis to donos, right? So this is going to be our key here. This is absolutely going to be our key. So let's go into it then. So if one Aldo equals 4 cafettes, and we know 16 cafettes equal 12 dono, and 6 dono equal 1 Brolty Maggie, do you see how now we're starting to be able to compare these? You know what I mean? Starting to be able to compare these to each other. Yeah, imagine your name. My parents did name me that, bro. Dude, nice Oasis. Good to have you, bro. Brothy gang. So now we can compare these. So what do I need to multiply this by? What I'm going to do, how do I want to do this? Yeah, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by 4. This is going to be times 4, and this is going to be times 4. So what we end up getting is this. Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to multiply this, and so then we know this is actually, I'm so far away from my microphone, I'm like stretching to like get back to it. So let me actually just kind of solve this kind of quickly. So 4a equals 16c, 16c equals 12d. So we can substitute in a 12d for the 16c because every time I see a 16c, I can plug in a 12d, yeah? So 4a equals 12d. Now I can multiply this equation by 2. I'm going to multiply this by 2. I'm going to multiply this by 2. And what I'm going to get is 12d equals 2b. Oh, so now I can compare them directly. So which one's more valuable? Brolty. That's what's up. Yeah. We're doing, what's up, Sky? We're just doing like, dude, we probably need to do another redemption here. I think we need to do another redemption, bro. I think this is happening. Is it time for another redemption? I think it is. Yeah, that's because, well, Zhao, I did like have nothing for the first 7 minutes. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's go into this. Let's do one more. You guys need to be able to do this, okay? So we're gonna do one more like this as an ultimate redemption. This is it. This is the redemption. This is how you can redeem yourself. So prepare yourself mentally, physically, and emotionally for this next problem. Um, actually, whatever. Okay, so let's say, okay, I'm gonna make this one a little harder just to push you guys. Of course, I have to. Oh, that's really good. Okay, so we'll do that. So then, Okay, would this work out? So that. Yep, that works. Okay, so here's the question, bros. Let me just write this up, and then I'll show you what the whole thing is, so that way you only get a minute and a half to do this. Um, let's see. That would be okay. Hold on. So, um, okay. So then it would be okay. All right, bros. Here we go. Here's the question. All right, bro. Okay, so here's your redemption of redemption. Let's get a little of the dramatic music in here. Can you overcome your past mistakes? Are you a better person now than you were before? Can you improve? Can you be better, faster, stronger? Third redemption. Last redemption. Now or never. All right, here we go, guys. Here's the question. Minute and a half. Let's get it. Nanchan, you're going to have to get one of those sections at least into the mid to high 40s. That's like the goal. So just pick one of those two sections that you feel the best on and then just grind. Okay, so let's get it. One more minute, guys. Thanks, Prominent. Dude. Dude. Dude, the redemption. It's absolutely real. The redemption's absolutely real. Bruh. Dude, that's a minute and a half, just about. Dude, so Pokar, Wiz, Sing, Zang, Cred, Skills, Nazir, Babesiosis, Cred Hits, Saggy. Wow. Sorry. Wow. Xiao. Dude, Tejas, Kira, Amgood, Skills. Dude, the redemption is so real, bro. Ricky. Mahia, dude. Yes. So good, guys. That is so good. Yes, Anuj. Yes. Good job. The redemption's real. Yay. Yeah. Dude, good job, bro. President, I see you. Nice, nice. Dude, the redemption's absolutely real. Fun Zone, Zrizzy, Kabata. Yeah, bro. Chip, Ghost, Crunchy. Yeah, dude, absolutely incinerated this. Dude, good job, bro. The redemption's absolutely real. All right, for those of you who are in the chat who still don't know how to do these, let's go over this real quick. So, guys, we need to make everything equal to each other, or at least the ones that we think are the most valuable equal to each other. Straight off the rip, it's going to seem like these Womps and these Zats are going to be pretty valuable here. So we need to compare them. We can only compare them through the use of Zob and Yi. So dumb. All right, so let's get into it. I love stupid names, dude. Cool. All right, let's see. I see your comments, Phoenix. I see you, bro. Zat in the hat, dog. I got you, man. All right, so let's go through this. Yeah, I see you, miscellaneous. Nice. All right, cool. So let's go. We're gonna compare them. So we know that 3W equals 7y. We know that 1y equals 3x. And we know that 84x equals 4z. So now we can get these into a nice spot where we can compare them to each other. And that's a z, not a 2 or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to simplify these first off. So first I'm going to multiply this by 7 so I can get my 7 yi. So we know 3w equals 7 yi. And if we multiply both of these by 7, we know that's going to equal 21x. So 21 and 84 are both kind of compatible. If I divide both of these by 4, I'm going to get 21x. So I'm going to get a zz, just a z on the right side there. And so now we can directly compare all of these. So bang. Yeah. Dude, really good job, bro. That's nice. Dude, the redemption's absolutely real. What is a good grade for your test on my website? Sorry. I just like ate a hamburger. The good grade would be whatever the cutoff score is that you want to get. So if you want to get into STI, you're going to want to be in the mid to 500, upper 500s. If you need to get into Staten Island Tech or Brooklyn Tech, then it's just whatever score you need to get. That's what it is. And it's just a diagnostic, you know what I mean? Yeah. So do a good job, guys. You made a ratio. Yeah, you can make a ratio. Definitely, dude. Dude, nice. Really good job, everybody. Okay, so what else do you guys want to work on today? Because we got a little bit of time left. We actually got a lot of time left. Dude, wow. Oh, wow. We definitely got rated today. Dude, look at all those dislikes. Oh my gosh. Somebody really dislikes, like, just today out of nowhere. That is so weird. Whatever. All right, so let's talk about something else that could be relevant or could be on your test. Do we need to do another currency one? Oh, I think we've already done that one. Yeah, we've already done that one. Okay. Okay, this is something we haven't done in a long time, so I'm going to see if I can throw you guys here. Dude, Kira, get that brain food, bro. Yeah. Dude, I don't know. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, dude, somebody really hates math. 34 people hate the SHSAT studying. Okay, so it's not going to be we can do some linear equations, but I want to throw you guys this curve because I know you haven't seen this in a long time if you've been coming to the stream. So let me do this. Oh, dude, Nazir! Shout out to Nazir, my dude. Thanks for the super chat, bro. Dude, thanks, Nazir. I super appreciate the support, bro, and I super appreciate like all of you guys coming in, joining in the chat and just grinding and stuff. And I thanks so much, dude. Shout out to Nazir. All right, so let's get this. Let's get this question, guys. Wait. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, so let's get it. Minute and a half, guys. You have not seen this in a long time, so let's go. What is the least common multiple of 5, 15, and 25? Yeah, dude, thanks, Nazir. Nazir is definitely going to get into STI now. Yeah, that's actually correct, Kabata man. Yeah. Ooh, you guys incinerated this. Wow. 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 Kira. Nice. Wow, dude. Oh my gosh, the chat is like flying. Crunchy, Mahia, Mahia, Noise, Ricky, Anacat, Nazir, Word, Zhao, Prominent. Prominent, did you get 76? The chat's too fast for me to go back. Tejas, Abbas, Elizabeth. Wow. Wow. Poke. Dude, you guys could rush this. Yeah. Wow. All right. So that's about enough time. Wow. I honestly did not expect you guys to absolutely incinerate that. Brielle. Okay, wow. So wow. So what we're talking about here is the least common multiple. So a lot of people, when they see these 5 numbers, they're like, oh, this is cake. I'm going to be able to figure this out really quickly. Christy, got you too. I can't get everybody. It's just too insane right now. So yeah, dude, I don't know. So yeah, let's go into this. So just like greatest common factor, these least common multiples are going to be kind of similar in how we have to handle them. And the way we're going to handle them is with a factor tree. So let's check it out. 5 obviously is a factor tree of just 5. 15 is a factor tree of 3 and 5. And 25 is a factor tree of 5 and 5. So in order to find the least common multiple, we need to find a number that includes all of these numbers some way. So for example, 15 is a multiple of 5 because it has that thing of 5 in there. Know what I'm saying? But 15 can't go into 25 because there's no 3, and we need a 3 to make a 15. So the number that we have, we need to have at least 2 5s. That's a 5, and we need to have a 3 somewhere. So it's going to be 5 times 5 times 3, and what we're going to get is 75. Absolute crush. Wow, that's really sick. Good job, everybody. Absolutely crushed that. What's up, Animation Space? Shout out to Animation Space for the thumbnail today. You were sending me some pretty fire thumbnails last night. Where's your food? Oh, dude, you got to go to the front door. Okay. All right, so that one was easy. Maybe I should do a harder one of those to test if you guys actually have the skills or if you guys just finessed my problems like usual. So let me see if I can get a harder one for you. Okay, that'll be good. Yeah. Okay, that's what's up. Here's a harder one for you guys. All right, bros. Here's your question. Minute and a half. Let's get it. The textbooks in school gives you good practice for the SHSAT. Depends on the textbook, dude. If it's a really easy textbook, then probably no. But if it's a hard textbook, then maybe. Oh, Tejas, you sent a poem? Okay, I'll look at that, dude. That's sick. Greatest points to lowest? What do you mean, Ricky? Yeah, I don't know, Venna. I don't know. I think we just got raided by like some bots or something. I have no idea why someone would take the time to do that, but whatever. Okay, so Andrew Zhao's got 24. Pewman's got 204. Prominent. President's got 34. Nice. Tejas. Zhao. I already got you, dude. Huh? All right, guys, 30 more seconds. Wadi. What's up, Wadi? Han got it. Prominent got it. Nice. Mahia. Nice, Mahia. Sammy. Chill, chill, chill. Huh? Dude, nice. You're a little off, Fun Zone. You got caught up in the filter, bro. Kira, I already got you for an answer, President. Rafi. All right, that's time. Bang. All right, so that's how long it should take, bros. Nahar, got you, dude. Elizabeth, Nazir. Okay. All right, bros. Rodney. Dude, you guys crushed this one. Okay. So really nice. Ghost. 612 for Archdeep for Sing. Got you, bro. Nice. All right, so you're confused. That's fine, Animation Space. We'll get to it, bruh. Chip. I know what you mean, Chip. I got you, dude. Venna. Srizzy. Dude. All right, so let's go through this. All right, so what is the LCM of 3, 12, and 17? So that means 3 needs to go into it, 12 needs to go into it, and 17 needs to go into it. So what number does that? Well, let's look at our factors here. We know 3, there is no factor other than 3, so this needs to be included in the number. 3 has to go into our answer. 12, 3, and 4. That means we not only need a 3, but we need a 3 and a 4, because that means 12 needs to go into it too. For example, 9 has a 3, but 9 does not have a 4, so that's why 12 doesn't go into it. Same thing with 15. 15 is 3 and 5, but 12 doesn't go into it because there's no 4. 17, curveball, prime number. That's what's up. So we need 17, we need 4, and we need 3 to be in the number. Okay, so it's going to be 17 times 12 because that's 3 and 4. 14, 3, 0, 7, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 204. Absolute legends. Dude, good job, bros. Dude, really, really good job. Yeah, good job. All right, cool. The problem you sent in the stream, what problem? What problem are you talking about, Tejas? Oh, there was an email I did get from somebody. It was a geometry problem, and I was like, dude, that's a really good one. Let me see if I can find this again. Was it here in this email? No. Where was it? Not the scores, not the printouts. Oh, Sing sent it. Yeah, this is a really good question. Okay, so shout out to Sing for sending me this question. We're going to do this one really quick just because I think it's a solid question. Hold on, let me draw a beautiful diagram for you. Dude, look at how crisp that triangle is, bros. Okay. All right, there we go. That's looking nice. Dude, so shout out to Sing for this question. I think it's a really solid one. So let's get into it. Let's do some geometry, dude. We're about to do geometry, bro. You couldn't have guessed it. Could you go over the SHSAT 2020, like next year? Yeah, dude, I do want to go over the handbook in Blade, but I've just been very cautious because now that I'm monetized, like I don't want to get any channel strikes. So I'm like, I did like a speed run through. So maybe I'll just post that unlisted and I won't monetize it and you guys can check it out. So yeah. You already did this, Rizzy? When did you do this? I don't remember. Oh my God, it's Rizzy. So let's go into this one. You did this? You guys have done this before? When have you guys done this question? Singh sent this to me, so maybe he got this from like one of your programs or whatever. But let's get into it, dudes, because I think this is a great question either way, whether you've done it or not. So we have two triangles. Both are right triangles. We know AB is parallel to DE. What's the value of X? No, we did not do this yesterday. Oh, you did it in Dream yesterday? And then Singh sent it to me? That's funny. Okay, I could look at that. So if you've done this before, just spam the answer and people will think you're super smart. Dude, a lot of people did this yesterday. Dang. All right, we'll do one like this. You don't go to any program? Where'd you get this? Oh, maybe they just did a problem like this. You know what I mean? Dude, I did not do this question yesterday. No way. Okay, so skills got 10. All right, 30 more seconds, guys. Wadi? Oh, this was from a diagnostic test? Ah, that's so funny. Nazir? What question, Tejas? I have no idea what you're talking about, dude. All right, cool. So that is a minute and a half. And, you know, granted, if you didn't finish it, that's not a big sweat because this is a very hard question. Mahia, even when I looked at it, I was like, whoa. How do I even say that name? GQLQ? How do I even say that, dude? GQLQTC. I did not do this question yesterday, Animation Space. No way. Okay, yeah, exactly. You guys are nailing it. Oh, you sent it via Gmail? Okay, cool. Similar triangles. Exactly, bro. Exactly. So these are similar triangles. How do we know? Because these are parallel, this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle are equal. And because of that, we know that they're similar shapes. So we know that this whole side here is 28. Whoops. And we can compare it to this side, which is just 8. So if you break it down into separate triangles, which I always recommend, just to make things easier, we know that that's 8, we know that this is 28, and we know that this is going to be 3x plus 5, and we know that this is going to be 3x minus 5. So that's pretty solid. Yeah, that's pretty solid. So let's see how we can get into it. We know to get from here to here, we're going to have to multiply it by a certain number. For example, to get from here to here, we're going to have to multiply it by 28 over 8. And if we multiply it by 28 over 8, that 8 will get canceled out and we'll end up with 28. So that means that we need to multiply this by 28 over 8 as well to get whatever this is. So yeah, let's go into it. So we know 3x minus 5, and I'm going to simplify this to 14 over 4, and that would be 7 over 2, so 7 over 2. That works, yep. And then that would equal 3x plus 5. What we're end up going to get here is 21x over 2 minus 35 over 2 equals 3x plus 5. I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to help me out. 21x minus 35 equals 6x plus 10. Getting kind of small here, bros. All right, hold on. Cool. How you got the 3? Okay, the way I got 3x plus 5 is this whole side length is 3x minus 5 plus 10. So the whole thing here is going to be 3x plus 5 because you have to add that 10. So now I can solve this pretty easily. I'm going to minus 6 from each side. 15x, I'm going to add 35 to each side equals 45. X is going to equal 3. I got x equals 3, bros. So then that would be, let's see if that works out though. So that'd be 9 minus 5. So this would be 4, and this here would be 14. So 4 times 7 over 2. That's going to cancel out 14. Yeah, that's right. X equals 3, bros. X equals 3. Yeah. So, dude, let's do a redemption on this with similar shapes, and we can talk about how to solve for x using similar shapes. So let's see here. All right. Where's my black pen? What would that be? That would be. Ooh, that's really good. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so then that would be 15, 20. Okay, great. That's good. So then we'll do. No, actually, let's change this to 12. Okay. And this here will be 16. Great. All right, bros. Here's your redemption. Similar shapes. Let's just say A, B, C, D, E. AB is parallel to CD. That's all I'm going to say for this one. What is the value for X? Let's get it. Minute and a half. Wait. Great. Minute and a half. Let's get it. I give you credit, Tejas. I give you credit. You receive credit, my dude. Oh, and then you just got caught up in the filter. No, 15 is not the height. 15 is... That's 15, and this is X. Hopefully that makes more sense. It's not a trapezoid, no. You can use proportions to solve this. Yes, you can. Okay, so we got some answers coming in here. We got 4 from Saggy. We got 5 from Zrizzy. Zrizzy and Cred. What did Skills put? Skills put 20. Nice. Okay, cool. Go over the problem I sent you in the stream. Oh my gosh, Stages. I'm not going to do that question now just because. Okay, prominent. Babysiosis. I'm just going to call you Bib. Bib. Zrizzy. Did I get you? No. Oh, I did get you, Zrizzy. You're good, bruh. Prominent. Got you. Mahia got 20. Nice. Wadi. Dude, I like saying that name. That's fun. Wadi. Yeah. It was a typo, Saggy. Oh, that's so tragic. But dude, that should be a lesson to you, dude. You got to be careful when you input your answers. Like, I know it's just a key rather than a bubble, but be careful. Be careful when you write your answers. That's all I got to say. Nazir. Dude, shout out to Nazir again. Mahia. Wiz got 20. Bruh. All right, so that's way too long anyways. Whatever. I don't care. Xiao got 20. Word. Dude, I'll go over it tomorrow, if you and I gotta put questions on it, bruh. Vena got 5. I got you, Vena. Nice. Let's see here. Any other questions? We got Dragon. Nice. Okay, cool. Crunchy. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so let's go through this, guys. Sorry. Because, guys, there's 2 ways that you can get a math problem wrong. There's only 2 ways. You either don't know how to do it, or you make a mistake while doing it. That's it. And for most of you guys have the first way down. You guys have how to do it down. But can you do it without making a mistake? Can you make sure that you dot all your I's, cross all your T's, and be precise and perfect. That's what they're looking for. And that's a hard skill. I mean, some people never go through life, worrying about being precise, but their job is, doesn't require it. But that's what they're testing. So let's go through this one and let's talk about how to do it, because there's a lot of good work here. And a lot of really great answers. So we know we have similar shapes because of the parallel. So we have a smaller triangle and we have a bigger triangle. And that's kind of what we're working with here. 12, 16, 15. And we don't know what this side length is yet. But we know to get from 12 to 16, what do we multiply it by? Asking again, how many times bigger is this triangle side than this triangle side? Well, if you need to have one number and you need to get another, you could always put that number you want over the number you don't want. And that's going to reduce, if they divide both by 4, to 4/3. So our multiplier here between these two triangles is times 4/3. That should be times 4/3. So we're going to times 15 by 4/3. And what we're end up going to get, and that's going to cross out and be a 5, we're going to get 20 for this side. So a lot of people put 20, check, see you later, check your math. Math looks great, good to go. We got the side length, see you later. But bruh, look at that. This side length on this triangle, if I were to redraw this big triangle and put 16 down here, this side length is 15 plus x. And 15 plus x equals 20. So what's left up in this little gap here? 5. Absolute legends. Yeah. So that's how this one goes down, guys. Yeah, good job. Dude, I don't know computer curry why we have so many dislikes. I don't know. It had to have been like a bot farm or some sort of concerted raid or whatever. But I don't know who. Like, I don't know who cares enough to raid an SHSAT study session. You know what I mean? It's like, if that's what's on your mind, like how to get dislikes on a study session, I don't know, man. Okay, cool. So, okay, can you get a redemption? Yeah, you can get a redemption. All right. No, you're not a failure, Xiao. You're a champion. Don't forget. All right, so if you guys were confused about this, remember, between similar shapes, you need to find how much bigger the side lengths are on the bigger one than the smaller one. In this case, it's a fraction. Sometimes it's easier, but yeah, let's do a redemption for all the people who put 5, okay, or who put 20. All right, so redemption time, guys, redemption time. Dude, you guys ask for it, you'll get it. You guys got a redemption. I got the redemption, bro. All right, but I want to make it hard. It can't be as easy, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Ooh, okay. Yeah, let's do that. All right, that'll be hard. Bro, look how dude, look how crisp those lines are, bro. Wow. Okay. Let's do that. So that would be. All right, cool. Yeah, I am using a ruler, but whatever. The formula for side length of a triangle. Ooh, yeah, that's actually a really good concept, Wadey. I was gonna do a thing like that. We're gonna do reading comp tomorrow, Babesiosis. So I got you, dude. Don't even worry about it. Okay, cool. So let me see. Okay. Yeah, this is a good one. No, I'm not going to give you that. Okay, cool. So here's the question. I made it harder. I was going to give you extra information, but yeah, we're not going to go over that poem today, Tejas. We'll go over it tomorrow for sure. Or we're going to do some reading comprehension tomorrow. Okay, here's the question. I was going to give you more information, but I decided to give you less information because I want to challenge you guys. Here is the redemption. Wait, where's that redemption music, dude? Hold up. Okay. Here is your redemption, bro. If you messed up the previous problems, if you put 20 because you forgot we were solving for x, now's your time. So let's get into this. Here is the question. I'm gonna give you guys like a minute and a half, 2 minutes to get it. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, this is final boss music. Yeah. All right, I'll be quiet so you guys can work. You make me proud. Great. I'm so proud of you, Babesiosis. Okay. Oh, Kira. Sorry. I don't know how to say your name, Galeka Kuta, but it's still funny though. Nazir. Rafi. Chip. Poke. Easy. You got caught up in the filter. I know you guys can't read that, but I can. I know. Waddy. Tejas. Sky. Dude. Gamio. Bruh. Huh? Skills. Duh. Zrizzy. Duh. Whoa. Moon Bandit. Bandit. What's up, Bandit? Anuj. Dude. What is up? Kabata. Dude, the redemption is so real. Sammy. Rodney. I know, Kira. I'm just playing with you. Nice. Fun. Dude, you guys crushed this, King. Bruh. Dude, the redemption is absolutely real. Dude. Okay, so let's go over it just in case. But you guys absolutely crushed this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you guys made the redemption's absolutely real, dude. Well, Necro, we're gonna do SAT in 3 weeks, so come on back, bro, if you're looking to study for that. So yeah, we're dealing with similar shapes. I'm gonna break apart the shapes just because that's just kind of how I consistently do these problems, and it helps me a lot actually. So we have two big triangles. We have a big triangle and a smaller triangle. Side length 4 and 7. This is 21, and that's 4x. So the only two sides that we can actually compare to each other are these two. Now, be careful. The side length is not 14. It's definitely 21. We got to add that 7 and 2. So that's going to be a times 3. Okay? So I threw in an X in there just because I wanted to see how you guys would react to it. But you guys totally... yeah, dude, exactly. Babesiosis, that's because you guys are learning. That's just how it goes. So then you multiply this by 3 and you get 12x. And I'm also really pumped that nobody said 12. You know what I mean? Nobody said 12. Yeah, dude, Rachel, I don't know what happened either. I think we got like bot rated or something. So it's going to be times 3 as well. That's going to be 12x, but nobody put 12. That's super sick because the whole thing adds up to 12. So that needs to be 8x. Dude, the redemption is absolutely real. Absolutely real, dude. That's what's up, dude. That's what's up. All right, bros. That's the stream today. The redemption was real. And now I can rest in peace. I can't leave until the redemption's real. I'm like a genie. I'm chained. I'm chained to the desk until the redemption's real. I took a PSAT. So guys, there's more work to be done on TylerTutor.com. Play Deep Mind. If you have any questions, anything at all, you know I got you. Tyler Tutor Test Prep, 6 p.m. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.